Are cats afraid of loud noises? Welcome to Pet Fuzz. Cats are generally sensitive to loud noises. They have a more acute sense of hearing than humans and can perceive sounds at higher frequencies. Many cats tend to react adversely to sudden or intense sounds. Loud noises can startle cats and trigger fear or anxiety responses. They may exhibit behaviors such as running and hiding, seeking shelter, or showing signs of distress like dilated pupils, flattened ears, and increased heart rate. Cats may even become more aggressive and exhibit destructive behavior when exposed to loud noises. During loud noise events, be present for your cat and offer them comfort and reassurance. Stay calm and provide gentle petting to cat. Designate a quiet area in your home where your cat can retreat to when loud noises occur. Provide them with a cozy bed, toys, and access to hiding spots like a covered crate or a high shelf. Remember, every cat is unique, and it's important to understand and respect their individual sensitivities. Providing a calm and secure environment can help your cat feel more at ease during loud noise events. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, that helps me to make more content.